Hidden beneath the slopes of Corstorphine Hill in western Edinburgh, Craigcrook Castle is one of Scotland's most fascinating literary castles. Originally built as a tower house in the 16th century, the castle combines medieval architecture with centuries of intellectual and cultural history. The castle was largely constructed by the Andersen family around the mid-1500s and later passed through several prominent Edinburgh families. Over time, additions and alterations transformed the original fortified residence into the distinctive Z-plan castle seen today. Craigcrook Castle achieved fame during the 19th century under the tenancy of Lord Francis Jeffrey, editor of the Edinburgh Review. The castle became a gathering place for writers, publishers and intellectuals, welcoming visitors including Charles Dickens, Hans Christian Andersen, George Eliot and Alfred Lord Tennyson. Not far away rises the Edinburgh city skyline, including the famous Donaldson School, redesigned by the renowned architect William Henry Playfair. Playfair also remodelled parts of Craigcrook Castle itself during the 1830s, linking the castle directly to the architectural transformation of Edinburgh. Approximately 4 kilometres from Craigcrook Castle stands Edinburgh Castle, the great fortress dominating Scotland's capital. From there to Palace of Holyroodhouse, creating one of Britain's most famous royal and historic routes through the heart of Edinburgh. Today, Craigcrook Castle remains one of Edinburgh's hidden historic treasures. Though quieter than the city's great royal landmarks, its walls once echoed with the conversations of some of the greatest literary minds of the 19th century, ensuring that Craigcrook Castle holds a unique place in Scotland's cultural history.